He's literally just hiding right here. Okay. All right. All right. All right, dude. All right, dude.
We said a bad word, Kreek.
All right, what's up, Mia Games? How you doing? All right, watch this. Watch this. Watch this, dude. Watch this. I know what I'm gonna do. Watch this. Let me join back in here real quick. And then we're just gonna go here.
Auto-tune singing It's Raining
And
Tacos.
we're gonna go to book 2. And then we're gonna go here. And I'm just gonna kick this guy out of the game. Then we're gonna do that. And then there you go. Problem solved. Look at that. Problem solved. That easy. Bam. And the dirt is gone. Just like that. There you go, guys. There you go. Okay. Cool. Cool beans. Cool beans. Cool beans. Very nice. Alright. Play Brookhaven for money. I do want to play Brookhaven again. And, like, you know, go through and catch the online daters. That's always really fun to do. That's always really, really fun to do. What is this?
How you doing? This is Kreekcraft. My buddy Dazzling plays with...
Oh my god, that hair. Look at this photograph. Oh no, it's...
Out in the street, tacos, all you can eat, lettuce and meat. It's raining tacos. No, 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 eat now. It's like a dream. No, 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 eat now. Bring your sour cream. Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Shell, meat, cheese, 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 cheese. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos.
Can you play basically FNF?
Raining tacos. Raining tacos. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos.
Bless your face. Have a great day.
Wow. That's great. Wow. 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 Wow.
How you doing? This is Kreekcraft.
No
There's a
need
song
to ask
that went today
why.
hit
Just
over
open your
1 meter
mouth.
mile per hour.
It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos.
Wow. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. That's something else, isn't it? That's something else, isn't it? That is something else right there. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. That's actually really good. That's actually really good. Not even gonna lie, that's really good. How many likes do we have, guys? How close am I to the lipstick right now? How close am I to the lipstick? How close am I?